Hi guys, welcome to Chetana's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a mouth-watering recipe, Paneer Tikka. Let's get started with the marination process. Here are the ingredients. Curd, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, garam masala, salt, fried gram flour, turmeric, amchur powder, pepper powder, kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste and mustard oil.
In a bigger bowl, take half cup of curd. To this curd, let us add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder. Add some kasuri methi and ginger garlic paste and add required amount of salt and mix well.
Our marinade is ready now. I have one big sized green, red, yellow capsicum and I have one big sized onion cut into 1-inch pieces and I have paneer of same size. Now I am going to add all these ingredients into our marinade.
Now let's mix it well so that all the pieces be coated with the marinade.
Now I am going to close it with a lid and refrigerate it for half an hour. I have taken out the marinade from the refrigerator and here I have some skewers and I soak these in water for some time. Now I am going to arrange the veggies and paneer on the skewer. You can arrange them however you want.
Now heat the grill pan and pour some oil. Now place these arranged skewers on the pan.
Our Paneer Tikka is ready to eat now. Please like my video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.